How can I avoid RC drone GPS signal loss near buildings? Imagine flying your remote-control drone through a cityscape or near tall structures. You want smooth flights and reliable GPS signals, but buildings can make that tricky. GPS relies on a clear line of sight between your drone's GPS receiver and multiple satellites in the sky. When you fly close to buildings, especially those made with dense materials like concrete and metal, signals can bounce off surfaces or get blocked entirely. This causes your drone's GPS to weaken or drop out, which can make advanced flying difficult. To keep your drone stable and safe, start by keeping it at least 30 meters or about 100 feet away from large buildings or metal structures whenever possible. This distance helps the GPS signals reach your drone without interference. Before you fly near buildings, take some time to fly in an open area with a clear view of the sky. Let your drone acquire a strong GPS lock there. This initial lock makes it easier for your drone to maintain its position when you move closer to structures later. Avoid flying indoors or inside enclosed spaces because GPS signals do not penetrate walls or metal roofs well. If you need to fly indoors, switch your drone to manual mode or use the altitude hold feature without GPS. Buildings with metal frameworks or rebar can cause even more trouble by blocking signals or causing compass errors. Be cautious around such structures, especially if they are very dense or large. Electronic devices inside buildings, like Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth gadgets, or cellular signals, can also interfere with your drone's GPS and control signals. Try to fly in areas with fewer electronic devices or plan your route to avoid these zones. Some drones come with advanced GPS and navigation systems that help maintain stability even when signals weaken. Features like backup navigation modes or the ability to return home without GPS can be very helpful. Always monitor your flight modes. If your drone switches to altitude hold or ATI mode, it will no longer hold its position automatically, so be ready to take manual control. Planning your flight path carefully is also key. Avoid flying directly behind or very close to tall buildings where GPS signals can be blocked or shadowed. Instead, keep your drone in open sight, lines to the sky, and your controller. Following these tips will help you avoid GPS signal loss when flying near buildings and give you better control during advanced piloting. It makes your flights safer and more enjoyable, especially when navigating tricky environments with lots of structures around.